If you want to know how to appear offline on Steam, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two different ways to do it, depending on what you want. You can use invisible mode if you want the best privacy while still staying connected, or you can use offline mode if you want Steam completely disconnected from the internet. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the difference between these two options because this is important. Invisible mode is the best choice if you want to look offline to your friends but still keep using Steam normally. That means you can browse your library, send messages, and stay active without showing online. Offline mode is different. It fully disconnects Steam from the internet, so you won't be visible at all, but you also lose access to online features. Let's start with method 1, invisible mode, which is usually the best option for privacy. Open Steam on your computer and look at the friends and chat list in the bottom right corner of the window. If your friends list is not open, click to open it first. Once it appears, look near your username and click the small arrow next to it. A menu will pop up with different status options. From that menu, select invisible. As soon as you choose it, your status will change and your friends will see you as offline even though you're still active on Steam. This is great because you can still do most things normally. You can browse games, check your library, and even send and receive chat messages, all while appearing offline to other users. If you're trying to avoid interruptions or just want a little more privacy, invisible mode is the easiest and most flexible option. Now let's move on to method 2, offline mode. This is the stronger option if you want Steam completely disconnected. To do this, click Steam in the top left corner of the app. When the drop-down menu opens, select Go Offline. Steam will ask you to confirm this choice and then you'll need to click Restart in offline mode. After that, Steam will restart without internet access. Offline mode is useful if you want to completely disconnect from Steam for a while, but there are some limitations you should know about. In offline mode, you cannot access the Steam store and you won't be able to play online multiplayer games. So if you only want to hide your status from friends, invisible mode is usually the better choice. But if you want to fully go offline, this is the method to use. So to quickly recap, if you want privacy but still want to stay connected, choose invisible mode from the friends and chat menu. If you want Steam fully offline, go to the Steam menu and restart in offline mode. Both methods are simple, and now you know exactly which one to use depending on your situation. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple gaming and software tips. And if you want more Steam guides, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.